Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to help you get back your PIN in Roblox. Now, it's a very common issue. Sometimes you forget your PIN and you want to change user settings. Now, I'm going to help you step by step in getting back your PIN to control your Roblox account. Now let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is hop onto your preferred browser and go down to roblox.com. Sign into your existing account where you want to change your PIN to, and from there go to the top right corner where the cogwheel appears and open up the Help and Safety tab. Now right here we go down to the Help Center and we go to PIN. Now here we scroll down and we can select I forgot the PIN. Now here, simply please use the contact form, select this contact form, and from there we're going to the contact information. Now make sure to use your first name, and the email address should be the one where Roblox can send you your PIN towards. So confirm this email address, and from there what device are you using your PIN from out or using the most. Now for me it's the PC, and here the help category. Now here use the account hacked or can't log in, or you can also use the age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Now here you can use the adjust child privacy or unlinking parent or guardian from child account. Now what you can do in the description issue of right here, make sure to post this: Dear Roblox support, recently I tried to play more experiences because I turned 18 years old. Now I want to change this in the settings, but sadly I forgot my Roblox PIN. Can you reset the PIN for me so I can use Roblox again and play all the experiences with my friends? Thanks in advance, Ruben. What you can also do is tell Roblox that your parents agreed with giving you the PIN. Now make sure to not use Ruben but your own name, and from there press continue and they will come back with you and help you get your PIN back. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.